Okay, guys, you guys asked for it. You guys were like, I want to see some bigger cap stocks. I don't want to see penny stocks. I want to see something more mid cap to big cap stocks where I could put a lot of money into. Well, you guys are at it here. Welcome to. I mean, and the reason why I have not been doing as much is because there's not as much available. When I go to my screeners, there isn't that a lot that I like. I'm very picky. I've seen some big cap stocks that just tremendously get hit hard and they go down a lot and a lot and a lot. For example, the talk we're going to talk about is Advanced Auto Parts. If you would have bought at this very tippity top here at $87, as you can see, we hit an ATR4. This is an upper band. People who don't know my strat probably seen this. And even if you bought down in here, look at the drastic move down. We just kept going down. We can do a data price thing here, and we can see we went down about a 50% drop right there. So we want to be very picky. Just because it's a bigger cap stock doesn't mean, oh, it's safe forever. It will never go bankrupt. But you don't want to have dead money just sitting way up in here, and it might not go up there for for years upon years. So or if that. So here is why I like Advanced Auto Parts. Remember, when price went up in here, it was a good put opportunity. And I'll show you examples of before when I play this. This is when a big earnings play hits. And this is why you don't just get in right on the ATR4 right away and just buy it rapidly. You can have it going down quite rapidly here, on a bad earnings play. It goes down and then it just keeps going down and down. But what you do notice is price will revert back to the mean. Our targets are always the EMA 5 and the 10 and the 20. As you can see, from here to the 5 was a 5%, here to the 10 was a 13%, and that was pretty good, decent move. Obviously, bigger cap stocks, you can't expect to go 20-30% moves in a day. You just can't expect it. Here's the same analogy here. We hit this ATR4 and we had a massive pump from there. You would have made massive money as long as you accumulate properly. You're fine. You know that all these EMA 20s will get filled. Here's this EMA 20. As you can see, it got filled. So here is our next journey. We're trying to predict the future on this one. We have some dying distance on the EMA 20, but that is not the target. That is a later on target. That's a longer target. Anything that don't touch the EMA 20 in 2 months is long. I want to see price head on over to this EMA 5. This is a beautiful touch, guys. ATR4, bottom band touch, literally piercing it. I'm freaking happy. I'm loving it. This is the big money I would put my money in. Advanced Auto Parts, I use them all the time. I love the company. It's got decent volume. It's not like it's dead on volume here. The K is at a 4.58 for a mid cap stock here. It's pretty nice here. So the one thing I really like about it is we never trade the first drop. You guys know that. It went down more and more. That's fine. We knew that. This is why time distance is important away from the EMA 5. We haven't touched this purple band in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is really long, guys, for a mid-cap stock here this size. So 8 daily candles. So I'm not in it yet, but if I look to get in it, if we looked at the data price range here, you have a roughly 5% move up to this EMA 5. Obviously, this EMA 5 is going to correlate. So let's just say about a 5%. Or is going to move down. So about a 5% move from this lows here. Obviously, if you do options, you can make a lot more money doing that. But this is, remember, bigger cap stocks are safer returns. So you can't expect, like, when I'm trading penny stocks, they go up 20% in literally a couple minutes. That's not what you can expect with these. These are lower returns, but you're also not going to just blow, lose a lot of money in a short amount of time. And in the long run, these things can go up pretty massively. Remember, way back in here, if you bought it way down here, I mean, look at this. In the long run, it had a pretty nice move. You went from a low of $60 to upper 70s, and then we had this move all the way up to the $90 range, if you were patient. Obviously, I wouldn't, hold it that long, but yeah, this one is definitely meeting my criteria. It's hitting my lower band. It should be due for an EMA 5. If you like a short-term trade for a bigger cap stock, I would take this trade. The EMA 10 obviously is not going to hit, I don't think, very soon, but that has a 13% move. I would love to get this more time just from the 20 to the 10. If I take this trade, it'll be an EMA 5 type trade. All right, guys, so definitely look this one on the watch. If you guys are into the bigger cap stocks, well, here you go. Advanced Auto Part is another one. I am watching DG, but that one is in another video if you want to watch it. But Advanced Auto Parts is a good one. If you guys want to join the Discord, here's the chance to do it, guys. Definitely join it. It's pretty nice. You get to know the system. You get to be a part of a community to control your emotions and understand, what it's like to trade. Join the community. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments and in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe. If you have an Android user, I'll never message or DM you first or trade your accounts. I know some people get scanned by that, but that's not me. I'm not doing that. Avoid scammers. Yeah, right in here. Avoid scammers, what I just talked about. I'll never trade your accounts. If you want to subscribe, it's super easy. Just hit the server shop on the top left here. I'll teach you guys how to trade like a pro, a strategy that I've been doing for over 6 years that has worked very well. I have updated it over time and time as I've been trading. This is by far one of the best win ratios I have, over 95% doing this specific strategy. And I repeat, it is true, recorded with proof. My best strategy is day and swing trading plus membership. That gives you day trades where you get trades every day with entries and exits straight to your phone with a live stream over here where I go live and you can see my screen, see my reaction, see my emotions, and literally how a full-time trader does it and how I have no emotions and I just stick to the system because the system works if you just got to trust it. If I'm willing to do it, and it's made me a full-time trader, I think you can do it too. It's super easy to do. $12 a month will get you access to everything on the left here, all my channels, and it's one of the most affordable services out there. If you subscribe on your computer, it's a flat rate fee. If you do it on your phone, you'll be charged a little extra. So do keep that in mind. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Advanced Auto Parts. I'm watching it. It's one of the bigger cap stocks that I like. If you guys want to join the Discord, you're more than welcome to join. Let's make a lot of money together. And if you guys like this video, give it a like, and subscribe, and comment. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.